Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to any other exchange platforms step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to log into Trust Wallet, and whilst you're logging in, you'll be met with a prompt to input your passcode. And once that's done, all you need to do is search for Doge by simply searching for the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once that's done, you search for Doge and you activate the Dogecoin, and you simply click on send Dogecoin, and you minimize your app and you head to the Binance app. Once the Binance app opens up, you're simply going to be looking for deposit, and you click on deposit and you click on Doge. While you're clicking on Doge, or whilst clicking on Doge, you select the Smart Chain BEP network, which is what we're going to be using for this transfer. You copy the wallet address, you minimize again, and you go back to Trust Wallet, and another prompt to input your passcode. You make sure we are on the BEP network, that's the Smart Chain network, which we are on right now, and you click on send. You paste in the address and you put in the amount of Doge you want to send. You click on continue. Oh, sorry. We're going to be using the Dogecoin. Yes, this. You copy this address and you input your passcode again. You click paste and you click on continue. Good. That's done. And once you've done that, you need to have a sufficient amount of Doge to be able to withdraw your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance. And if you've received it here, you'd be alerted by Binance that your Dogecoin has been deposited, and you could simply go to convert your Dogecoin here by simply clicking on, or rather searching for Doge and exchanging it for USDT, and 100 Dogecoin would be giving you about 7 USDT here. Okay guys, that's simply how you withdraw your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance or any other exchange platforms. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and you'd be given some good answers. Thank you.